Welcome to 1313 Garden Circle, right in the heart of Longmont. Amazing location. You may be wondering why I got the Hawaiian shirt on. You'll check that out once you see this backyard. But amazing home, new windows, new roof, ready for all of your home needs. It's got 3 bedrooms plus a study, so 4 bedrooms with a dual gas fireplace. This one is ready for its next owner, and that could be you. Let's go check it out. Indoor living space, 2,616 square feet, but ultimately this backyard tells me your living space might be 0.23 acres. This home is incredible. The location, near downtown Longmont, easy access to northern Colorado and everything they got going on up there, as well as Denver. And just don't miss the views. My favorite view in Colorado coming into the neighborhoods is that majestic Longs Peak. So if you're interested in seeing more of what this home offers, including this incredible backyard in person, reach out to me. Information's in the comments. I can't wait to show you 1313 Garden Circle right here in Longmont, available for you as the next buyer. Let's go.